Welcome to Technical Drawing. In this, I will teach you how to draw a pictorial view of this object. Draw front view, top view and left hand side view using first angle method of projection. When observer will see from here, he will see length 30, height 30 and width is 30. So first we need to draw layout. So we'll take 30 length, 30 height and 30 width. Always remember to draw layout. Even if you draw layout, in exam you will get marks. After that, when observer will see from here, he will see this. Basically, he will see this L shape, right? He can see that square also, which is behind. That also we will draw. But first we will draw this L shape. After that, this square, see this. So we are done with front view. Now in top view, when you see, you'll see this part here. See this. So again you will see this T shape. So that we need to draw it over here. See, this is very important where a lot of people have confusion. So this T will come here and the remaining two rectangles. Now in side view, again you will see this T shape. And there are two rectangles which are behind. See this. The other one we can't see full, but in side view we can see. So you project from top view and front view to get the required side view. Now we will do dimensioning. Make sure that you take smaller dimension inside and the bigger one outside. See, like this. 10 inside and 30 outside. Thank you.